As we saw in the previous video, the average rating is not in the correct format to transform it to a decimal value. Tableau is a tool for visualizing data only, and we cannot edit our actual data source. So we can't change the values in the average rating column, only how Tableau interprets it. However, we know from the previous module we can duplicate fields and edit the duplicates. Another method is to create what's called a calculated field based on a column. Essentially, we need to perform a calculation that replaces the comma found in this column with a full stop. Click on the down arrow, go to Create, and then Calculated Field. Rename it Average Rating Value. We can see Tableau has already included the field Average Rating to use in our calculation. We're going to use a function which takes in arguments and performs an action called Replace. When we type in Replace and an open bracket, Tableau shows us the arguments required for this function. The one you need to input is shown in bold. String is the string value you want to perform the function on, which in our case is the entire average rating column. By putting average rating in squared brackets, the function will make the replacement on every string in that column. To move to the next argument, we put a comma after the field and substring appears in bold. The substring is the string that you wish to change and be replaced with something else. In our case it's a comma, so we put that in quotation marks. Then another comma outside of the quotes moves us on to the next part of the function, which is to insert the replacement value. We want to show a full stop, so we'll put that in quotes too. And finally, a close bracket to show we've finished entering our arguments. Tableau tells us that this calculation is valid. This means it has the correct parameter types and brackets, but be aware that it doesn't ensure your calculation will work as you intended. Now, when we click OK, we see we have a new column which has the decimal point instead of a comma.